Ma'am Ann. Thank you for celebrating your birthday here at the Garden Bay Resort and Restaurant. And of course, Garden Bay, Smoking Eyes! Now, the birthday celebrant, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Ann, also known as Miss Chang